Hi, I'm Lawrence, Director of Analytics and Impact at Write the World. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how to use Write the World to facilitate peer review.
At Write the World, we believe that writing is a social activity, and part of what makes it social is the opportunity to share work with an authentic audience of peer reviewers, and to navigate between the roles of author and editor while providing and receiving meaningful feedback. To facilitate peer review in a class, set up the prompts in your library with peer review question sets. Click the Peer Review Question Set tab in the left-hand bar and create your own from the My Peer Review Questions page, or browse our genre-based sets on the Write the World Peer Review Questions page and use the ellipses button to add the set to your library. Now visit the Prompts tab, and while creating or editing a prompt, click on the Add Peer Review Question Set button to access a question set in your library. When students share work in response to a prompt set up in this way, they will also have the opportunity to write a review through a guided annotation and interactive rubric tool comprising your chosen question set. In your class settings, you choose whether to allow students to share their peer reviews directly with the writer or have reviews sent to you for approval prior to sharing. If reviews need approval, you can moderate submitted peer reviews by visiting your Content Review tab. Then, selecting Review Approvals, where you can read completed reviews, and, if they are ready, to share them with the original writer. If you have questions, please reach out to our team at educators@writetheworld.org.